Do you want to be different? Go ahead and get yourself one of these paper birch poles and put your mailbox on it. And it will let every high school kid in the county know that your mailbox is the mailbox that needs to be smashed first. It is with great pride that I am here to reintroduce my father's 1996 044 Stihl that has just come back from a rebuild. Now I'm going to cut down this birch tree for our post on our mailbox. This thing is going to tip over, hit this pile of logs, pop up and try and kill me. This thing levered on that and shot straight into the sky. If I'd have been standing there, my head would have been smashed like an overripe watermelon. Whenever digging a new hole, always call Digger's Hotline. Since I'm just replacing a pole that was already here, I'm confident that I won't hit anything. Are you ready to make a statement to your neighbors? Nothing says, I'm going to be a jerk to live next to, like a paper birch pole for your mailbox.